Hi guys, we've been working with expanded form in decimals, so now I'm going to have you guys work on an Edpuzzle so that you can check yourself. Alright, so the first one, I want you to take that number 1, and I want you to write that in expanded form. Alright, so you should have taken the first digit of a 2, written that down, added 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros behind it to make 20,000, plus taking the next digit of 5 with 3 zeros behind it, plus, we don't need to worry about this place, we've got 1 with 1 zero behind it, and we don't have to worry about this, which makes 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 10, plus we're going to take a 0 for the ones place, add the decimal, and then the tenths of 4 tenths. So this is what your answer should be. Number 2, please take this number and write it in expanded form. Awesome. I hope that you took the first number of 6, wrote it down, and had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros behind it to make it 600,000. Don't forget your commas in the correct place. First, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, ones, tens. Then you're going to take the next number of 5, write that down with the 1, 2, 3, 4 digits of 0 behind it. So we should have 50,000. Our next number is going to be 5,000. So we write plus 5,000 plus 100 plus 70 plus 3 plus the 0 and 9 tenths. And we don't have to worry about the hundreds. If you felt adventurous and you wanted to write the 2,000ths, it would be plus 0.002. All right, let's go on to number 3. All right, again, you're taking the first digit of 4, writing it down. Everything behind it changes to zeros for the places. So we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Yep. Plus, don't need to worry about that. We've got the 1. We should have 4 zeros behind it. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros behind it. Excellent. Plus the 4 with 3 zeros. 4 with 3 zeros. Plus, we should have the 3 and 2 zeros, plus the 6 with 1 zero, plus the 9, plus, now we've got the 0 in the ones place, the decimal point, and the 2 tenths. We have a 5 after the decimal, so we need to write 0 for the ones place, the decimal point, and the 0 for the tenths place, and finally the 5 for the hundreds place. How did you guys do? How are you guys feeling about decimals and expanding? I think you guys are doing a fantastic job. All right, let's try these. Number 1, we write these numbers in expanded form. Number 2, number 3, that one was a doozy. And again, remember guys, if you see the thousandths place, you don't have to worry about thousandths. All right, so now we've got numbers that have been expanded for you guys in expanded form, and I would like for you to write them in standard form. So take this first number and write this in standard form. Now don't forget, you'll take that first digit of a 3, write that down, and then you're going to write down lines for these zeros. So you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines behind it because you're going to fill those lines in. So we've got the 3, then we've got the 10,000. So we've got the 1, and it should be in the millions. We should have the 1 in the 10 millions place. So fill in your chart down here with the 1 in the 10 millions place, the 5 in the 500s place, the 4 in the 10,000s place, the 7 in the 1,000s place, the 3 in the hundreds place, the 2 in the tens, the 1 in the ones. Okay, now we've got our decimal point. We should have 2 places afterwards. We've got the tenths and then the hundreds. All right, here's our number 2. I'm going to show you. We've got the 5, and so we wrote down the 5. Then we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places. Awesome. Now we're just going to fill it in. So here's the 2 with the 6 places behind it. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places and then write the 2. Boom. Don't forget that comma. Now we've got the 4 and there should be 4 places behind it. So we've got the 4 with the 4 places behind it. Do you see how I'm double checking my work? Awesome. Now we've got 300. I've got 300. I've got 20 and 20. I have 5 and 5. And now I'm going to have the 3/10, so 0.3. I'm going to bring the 9 to the hundredths place. And if you're feeling adventurous, the 3 to the thousandths place. All right, I'm going to let you guys work on number 3. Awesome. So this one had the 550,000. Notice that there was no 1,000s, nothing in the thousands place by itself, so it's a 0. There was nothing in the tens place, so that was a 0. And this one had no tenths, no hundredths, but it had a thousandths. So if you felt adventurous, you added that in there. Here we go. Try these on your own.